Hello and welcome to this session. If you are looking for an even more elaborate and visually striking hairstyle, the 5, 7 and 8 interlock buns are an excellent choice. These styles require meticulous attention to detail and skillful execution.
Objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to perform the procedure of 5 interlock bun, perform the procedure of 7 interlock bun, and perform the procedure of 8 interlock bun. Let's now look at the procedure of 5 interlock bun. It involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Create a ponytail. Step 3. Divide the hair into 5 sections. Step 4. Roll hair and create 5 interlocks. Step 5. Set the hairstyle. Now, let's look at these steps in detail. To begin, ensure that the hair is dry and clean, providing a solid foundation for the style. Start by combing the hair to ensure they are tangle-free. Gather all the hair at the crown area of the head and secure it with a hair tie to create a high ponytail. Divide the ponytail into 5 sections. Pin only 3 strands, 2 will remain loose. One strand will face up, another left, and the last will face down. The 2 loose strands will be between the top one and the bottom one, and the other one will be between the top and the left. Take the first strand and back comb it. Roll it towards the opposite direction and pin it in the middle of the ponytail. Here is a best practice. Apply a light layer of hairspray to hold and provide additional support to the rolled hair. Pin the 2 loose strands in the first roll on each side. Repeat the process with the down strand. Back comb it and roll it with your fingers towards the other roll and pin it. You now have 2 rolls. Now, again take the left strand and roll it over the 2 rolls in the middle. Pin it using U-pin. Now, take the loose strand on the left side, back comb it, roll and pin it on the side near the second roll on the left. Repeat the same process with the remaining strand. To ensure a polished and secure style, use a light mist of hairspray to set the hairstyle in place. You can accessorize your 5 interlock bun with decorative hairpins to enhance its appearance and add a personal touch. That's it. You did a 5 interlock bun. With practice, everything will be smoother. Let's now look at the procedure of 7 interlock bun hairstyle. This involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Create a ponytail. Step 3. Divide the ponytail into 7 sections. Step 4. Roll hair and create 7 interlocks. Step 5. Set the hairstyle. Let's now look at each step in detail. Start with clean and dry hair. Use a wide-toothed comb to gently detangle the hair. This step is crucial to ensure that there are no knots remaining. Gather all the hair and create a ponytail. Secure the ponytail with a rubber band. Divide the hair into 7 sections. Use the same technique as we use for 5 interlocks. Pin the 3 strand and keep the 4 strand loose. We will pin 1 strand at the top, another one at the bottom, and the last one to the left. The 4 strands will be 1 between the top and the left, 1 between the left and the bottom, and 2 between the top and the bottom. Now, take the top section, back comb it, and roll it with your fingers. The roll will fall on the middle of the ponytail toward the bottom. Secure the roll using hairpins. Here is a best practice. Apply hairspray to hold and provide additional support to the rolled hair. Repeat the rolling process at the bottom of the ponytail. First, back comb it, roll it toward the top reaching the middle of the ponytail, and then pin it up. Now, do the same with the third strand, but this time it will go over the middle of the ponytail toward the right side. Take the first loose strand on the left side at the top, pin it up in the first roll, then roll it and pin it on the side in the middle of the third roll. Now, do the same for the next loose strand at the bottom, starting by pinning it in the second roll, back comb it, roll it, and pin it up in the middle of the third roll. Repeat the same process for the right side. Apply hairspray generously all over the hair. This will help setting the hairstyle and taming any flyaway that may arise. You can accessorize the hairstyle to enhance its appearance. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can create a 7 interlock hairstyle. Let's now see the procedure of 8 interlock. This involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Create a ponytail. Step 3. Divide the ponytail into 8 sections. Step 4. Roll hair and create 8 interlocks. Step 5. Set the hairstyle. Let's now look at each step in detail. To begin, ensure that the hair is clean and dry. Comb the hair to eliminate any knots. Create a ponytail. Divide the ponytail into 8 sections. Only 4 main sections will be pinned and the other will remain loose. Take the first section, roll it downwards reaching the middle of the ponytail, then pin it up. Here is a best practice. Apply a light layer of hairspray to hold the hair. Repeat the process with the second section at the bottom, but rolling it upwards. Take the left roll and pin it over the 2 first roll. Take the right one and do the same by pinning it on the other side, making a cross. Now, take the section on the bottom left and pin it near the second roll. Roll in the opposite direction and pin it up. Take the section on the top left and pin it near the first roll. Roll in the opposite direction and pin it up. Repeat the same process on the other side. Apply hairspray to keep the hairstyle in place. If desired, you can accessorize the interlock bun. By following these detailed steps, you can create a beautiful 8 interlock bun hairstyle.
This brings us to the end of the session. In this session, you have learned how to perform the procedure of 5 interlock bun, perform the procedure of 7 interlock bun, and perform the procedure of 8 interlock bun. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.